Hi Dooneystas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick in-car unbagging, and you guys know where this bag is from. So if you have not checked out the live outlet trip, I will put a link below. It was a very quick and impromptu video. I was all over the place, but I still hope that you enjoy. So let's just get right to it. I'm just going to share with you just a couple of quick items. So the first item are these beautiful keychains that I picked up for a couple of Dooneystas in my Facebook group, and they were the top contributors in my group, so I had them come shopping with me, and this is what they picked out. And these are two Dooney Bourke keychains, absolutely beautiful. So anyway, here are two of the items that I picked up. I also picked up a black cosmetics case. I do have the clear one. These are the on-the-go cosmetic cases, and I love these cosmetics cases because they are so durable and they also hold a lot. So they are the plastic type material, but I absolutely love them. Okay, and the third item that I picked up, I actually asked the Dooneystas of the Den what bag I should choose. I had a couple of choices. I had this one, which is the elephant crossbody, as well as an all black Piper. And this is what was most popular. So let's just take her out of the plastic really quick. You guys know what the color elephant looks like, but for those of you who may not know what elephant looks like, let's take her out of the package and see what she looks like. Okay, so here she is, the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Crossbody in the color elephant. And I have a review on my Caribbean Blue, so if you have not checked out that video, I will also put a link in the description bar. So here we are, the Pebbled Leather Crossbody in the color elephant. So anyway guys, I just wanted to quickly share with you just a few items that I picked up during a very quick outlet trip. And again, I picked up two keychains. I picked up a on-the-go cosmetics case in the color black, as well as the Pebbled Leather Crossbody in the color elephant. So anyway guys, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Crossbody in any color, a cosmetics case on the go, a couple of keychains, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.